So do you have a repeated code and you want your program to run it automatically on loops? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn repeated code into a loop automatically using Cursor AI. So instead of doing it manually, you can do it automatically through a prompt. So first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So I have this code right here. You can simply type in a code or just simply open a file. So we have created similar tutorial videos of Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So in order to turn it up, just simply select Ctrl+A in order to select the entire code, and then type in Ctrl+K on your keyboard. It should open up this quick edit tool right here. So you can just simply select edit selection for confirmation that it's an edit tool, and once it is done, you can just simply type in this. So once that is done, your code should be generated and your repeated lines, as you can see right here in the code, should be turned into a loop. So you can just simply run this code and it should be in a loop as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.